brief idea in terms of flows. Nimesh, what are you picking up?
Hi, Nigel. A good day, but again, I guess market will be a bit disappointed that there was no follow-up buying either in Nifty or in the Nifty bank as well. Having said that, there is buying in the financial names, especially the private bank names, the small private bank stocks, so to speak, in today's market. And if you look at most of the brokerage notes, everybody seems to be consensus on that the small private banks could be big beneficiaries on the RBI move. So that's clearly playing out. In fact, there is a bit of profit booking in the NBFCs today. So that's overall feedback as well, that after the big up move, a bit of profit booking in the NBFC basket today. The broader markets continue to outperform. Big moves in that space. The mid-cap index is up another 1.5%. And clearly there is momentum now which is chasing the broader market stocks, whether it's from retail HNI investors or for that matter from the funds as well. I guess, the trend of large blocks, fundraising, that's likely to continue in the days to come. So that apart, I guess I would say it's a relatively disappointing day that despite such a big bazooka from the RBI, we haven't seen very large FI or a follow-up buying in the Nifty and the financial names.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, got that. What about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
So in terms of individual names, the first target on my list is Capri Global. Big move in that name is up 16-17%. Last I checked, the volumes also picked up. And I understand the company is very close to raising funds via QIP. In fact, some large domestic funds and a couple of HNIs are likely to invest in the Capri Global QIP. So that's the reason why that stock is buzzing in trade today. The second, a couple of names where there is delivery-based buying, Chola Invest as well as HDFC AMC. So expect high delivery-based volumes on both these names on the back of FI buying. So that's the second group of stocks. The third name is Greenlam Industries. Even that is buzzing in trade, up 5% after a block. Nearly 10 lakhs has got changed hands. Understand few domestic mutual funds were seller and a large influential HNI investor has been buying of late into Greenlam. And the last one is Jain Irrigation. Even that's buzzing in trade today, but for Jain Irrigation, there is a strong indication of a large block coming in Jain Irrigation very soon. I understand some domestic banks hold a chunk and they could be cleaning out. So a bit of interesting deal to track in Jain Irrigation, but there could be a large block deal very soon.
Got that. Thank you very much for that. The stock is already up close to about 3.5%. Mitesh is now back.